In North Carolina, the temperature will creep down toward the freezing mark as the rain ends, so there could be some black ice.
It's here. New Fancy Feast broths with chicken. Silky smooth or creamy broths. Now with the real chicken she loves. Never any byproducts or fillers. Being a cat just got more enjoyable. Fancy Feast broths with chicken.
The garden is the story of our lives, told and retold. It's as old as our time on Earth and as new as tomorrow. You can have a yard, or slightly less. Gardening isn't about where we choose to live. It's about how we choose to live. Miracle Grow. Life starts here.
Build weather invention.
Wow, anybody else surprised it actually worked?
Mother Nature can absolutely change people.
I'm ready to get out of here and create a new track.
This is a tornado emergency.
It was hard to believe weather could do that.
Never seen anything like this in my life.
Currently in our area, 77 degrees under fair skies. Our local Doppler radar. For tonight, some clouds, slight chance of a rain shower, low 66, winds light and variable. For Friday, overcast, high 74, winds north-northeast at 10 to 15 miles per hour. And Friday night, partly cloudy skies in the evening, then becoming cloudy overnight, low 55, winds north-northeast at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Our week ahead.
When you're hungry for the craveable taste of tender fish and shrimp, nothing's better than Long John Silver.